Do you want to know how you can log in to your CareCredit credit card account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your CareCredit account. First of all, open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar, search for CareCredit login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of CareCredit, a Synchrony solution. Go ahead and click Login and it will take you to the login portal of Synchrony Account Manager. What you need to do right now is write down your username, your password, and then click Login. This way you can successfully log in to your CareCredit account. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking this So button, and if you can also click Remember your username. If you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to go through to recover your account back. If you still don't have a Credit Care account, go ahead and click Register and you can make yourself an account. I hope this video about how you can log into your CareCredit credit card account was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.